Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have an outdoor cat house.
An outdoor cat house? Are you serious? From the makers of Tastic? That's an appropriate name. So do you want to tell the viewers why we have an outdoor cat house?
Cat outside.
We've had this stray cat visit, and it's winter. It's winter at the moment. And it's very cold out. And we don't know if someone in our neighborhood owns the cat, or if someone dropped it off, which would be pretty bad.
How do you do this?
No directions, but it looks simple enough. And so we purchased this cat house so the cat would survive the freezing temperatures outdoors. We can't let it in. It's not our cat, but we don't want it to freeze. And we opted for the larger cat house. And before you put the roof on, it looks like you got a floor, a nice furry floor. Cat will like that.
There you go.
And it's very light. I think we're gonna have to weigh it down somehow. But it looks like it just snaps together with Velcro. It's insulated. We will make sure it's nice and tight. We'll probably add a warm blanket or something inside. Now there's one thing that we need to improve on. Is that the entryway? The entryway is going to let in a lot of cold air. We need to add some type of doorway with fabric or something that will stay there, but the cat can get in and out. I'm sure your mother will come up with something. She's very good at stuff like that. But it just snaps together with Velcro. It's insulated. We'll just place it on our front porch. We have a cat that's visiting. We want it to stay nice and warm. Right now we're using a box, and that seems to be working, but this should be a little bit warmer seeing that it's insulated. Looks comfy. I think we're gonna have to weigh it down a little bit somehow. Tastic. All right. Here's our fine furry friend, our stray cat. Try your new house. What are you doing going on the roof? Go inside. Try it out. Go ahead. Yeah, you're on YouTube. Put a treat inside or something.
Okay.
Trust me, he'll go in when it's cold. There he goes. It's a good size for him or her. We don't really know yet. Lay down. Try it out.
He's eating the tree.
Enjoy. Oh. So anyways, we purchased this outdoor cat house on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase this.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.